everybody, and welcome to this week's edition of the EdTech Pulse. My name's Devin Austin, here from your emerging technology team, here to share some exciting tech updates with you and lead you through a new and exciting tech tool. So today we are going to look at powering up your collaboration with Microsoft Loop. So this is an awesome way to get you and your team collaborating together. And basically it incorporates into some of the Office products we already know and use every day. So in this video, we're going to explore how it integrates into Teams and also how it integrates into Outlook. So we're going to break everything down, and please feel free after this video, you can definitely reach out to me for additional support if you need it. So first, what is Microsoft Loop? So like I was saying, Microsoft Loop is a collaboration tool. So think of it as a consistent and ongoing way for you and your team members to collaborate together using real-time components that are built into those Microsoft apps I mentioned already. And it's going to be really great because you can boost up that collaboration, keep track of progress and things that you may be working on as a team. So we're going to take a little dive first into using Microsoft Loop within the Teams app. So primarily what we use Loop for in Teams is within the chat feature. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of a deep dive and some explanation with you about how to use this in Teams. So you'll notice I have a Teams chat here, just the one with myself, but this can be done in any chat with any person. And what you're going to notice here is normally we type our message in the bottom, but under here we have a whole bunch of options. The one that looks like this is called Loop Components. When I click it, notice how right away it gives me a whole bunch of components that I can incorporate inside of my Microsoft Teams. So I can have things like lists I can share with my teams, checklists, so maybe we have tasks that we need to complete and we can collaborate using them. I have lists that I could make, paragraphs, progress trackers. This one is awesome because I am able to incorporate different tasks. Maybe I have, for example, at a school a celebration and we each have components. I can keep up to date with my team to see what's been completed, what's not. I can have some question and answers. I can have tables. I can do some even voting tables with my students right in the classroom to maybe make a consensus or a decision. I can have an awesome, easy task list. So I'm going to show you just one here today, the progress tracker. Now you'll notice once I click it, it's automatically loading. So I can automatically customize all of these by just simply typing. And I can, by doing the @ and my name, I can assign to different people within my team. And quickly with that person, I'm able to, give my different progress and communicate to my team, oh, it's completed. Okay, what I needed to do is make checklist. That was the first thing, right? You want to give them a task. I can give it a title. I can also hide my columns. I can do different filters. What I can do is I can add new. So I can keep adding multiple things here. One thing to notice and kind of understand is that anyone that is included in my chat can be part of this Loop progress tracker. So I can add as many team members as I need to, and simply once I click send, it's going to be a real-time collaborator inside of my chat. Again, one disclaimer, if I try to add more than one Loop component per chat, it's not going to let me. So I would have to do them as separate. So again, I have lots of great different loop components here that I am able to do. And they run across teams, but they also are similar in your email for collaboration. So again, that's Microsoft Loop in Teams. Next, we're going to take a quick little tour of Outlook. So if I'm in my email here and I'm in a new compose message, again, I would put my recipients, I'd put my subject. As soon as I am in the body of my email, you'll notice all the way at the top here is my loop components. Those same ones that I just had and a few additionals are here as well. I can simply in real time create a team tasked agenda for a meeting that's upcoming. Team retrospective is also a really cool one. I'm just going to click that guy. So again, it loads this real-time collaboration where I have some question answers, and as people are responding, I will see their progress immediately without having to resend a reply or resend an email. Again, the nice thing here about the loop components is within an email, I have the ability to add multiple loop components into my email that I can use and get people collaborating in real time. And all then I have to do is hit send. People can then go and you can watch collaboration flourish in your team. So that's an amazing way to get all of your collaboration in one place. No more finding email threads, things like that. It's very easy and easy to use. So again, if you have any additional questions around Microsoft Loop, please check out our Emerging Technology SharePoint page. There are going to be some resources populated there as well. Reach out to your Emerging Technology team in order to learn more of how Loop can power up that collaboration in your classroom. Bye for now.